slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind each time I think I'm close to knowing?
Eh bakit tinatanong mo pa nakita mo na pala kami? Eh bakit mo siya binigyan ng stick Eh yun lang pala Dinala mo pa yung lunchbox niya. Ano mo ba siya? Sumagot ka! Please, sumagot ka! Nagmumukha na akong tanga dito! Huwag kang sumigaw! Huwag kang magsinungaling! Crush ko siya, pero crush kita!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So, happy birthday, Sienna Alforque. I'm here to tell you that congrats, kay you reached this far, and that you overcome many hardships in life, and that I can see na you've visibly grown as a person, and that I'm beyond proud of who you've become, and that I'm very thankful that na through everything you had to go through, na kaya nimo, and then you reflected from it, and then that now your character has become very far from who you were, which makes me very proud of you. Yeah, again, happy birthday, and then I hope na you receive many blessings you deserve in life.
Hi, Alforque! Happy birthday! May your day be filled with joy, love, peace, and laughter. Continue to be the hottest person you are. I know ganahan ka sa among gift kay Secret na pa sa next video. Happy birthday! Mwah.
Let's go! Happy birthday, Alforque. And I wish na matinod pa yung wish. Marato. Peace.
Hey, I just want to say happy birthday. Bye.
Patapim, patapim, chimpanzini, bananini, tung 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 sahur. Patapim, patapim, chimpanzini, bananini, tung 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 sahur.
Happy birthday, Pookie Bear. I hope you enjoy your day and continue being an amazing person as you are today. Cheers to another year, Pookie Bear.
Happy birthday, Shanna.
Happy birthday, Alforque. May this December bring you warmth, joy, and blessings.
Hey, Alforque, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come.
4:20 a.m.
Happy birthday!
Get ready with me as I prepare myself for Shana's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Sienna Rose Lamos del Forque. Happy birthday to you. Charay. Happy birthday. Kita ka ni? Ako ani. Dili mo. But in all seriousness, like, happy birthday. And I hope nga you had a lot of gifts today. Sorry, di makaya sa akong budget kay ang Christmas party and everything. Makasubot ra ka. And I hope karong day daghan kay kag gifts madawat, and I hope nga daghan po og mga friends, classmates, teachers, or even para karon sa kaning video ilang ginahimo nilang Harley Jerry. I hope this will find you well. So mga to, happy birthday, God bless, love, joy, hope. Okay na, bye bye. Get ready with me. Happy birthday. Ay, di mao. Get ready with me as I get ready.
Happy 16th birthday, Shana Rose Alforque, or what we also call Pokemon, Pokepie, Pokepair, Shana Rose, Rosie, and Gingging. I hope you're happy and that you will enjoy your very, very, very special day. Continue being you, and I hope you will achieve all your dreams and ambitions in life. And of course, as your very supportive, kind, and tall friend, I will always be happy for all achievements you have. That's all. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you for being such a good friend.
Happy birthday, Alforque. Ang message na ko kay, I always pray for your strength and protection every day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alforque. Sorry, pero wala din rin ako tumakaya tong game ni Marion kay nangurog akong kamot ganiha. Sorry. For happy birthday, and I hope manatili ka pa rin hot and fresh. Char. Bye.
Hi Alforque, happy birthday. Naay mag-greet ni Makaron. Oh, happy birthday.
Hi Shana, happy birthday. Happy birthday Shana.
Thank you.
Good morning Siana. And happy birthday. God bless you always, and good luck sa imong academics and sa imong kabuang sa kinabuhi.
Pagkakataon nakakabigla, para bang sinadya at tinakda ng panahon. Tila agad akong nahulog ng hindi napapansin, pero tadhana ko'y mukhang di tayo